In this video, I will show you how to trigger an Elementor pop-up when someone clicks on any of the PDF links and collect the user emails and get the specific PDF link that the user has downloaded. Let me show you the demo what we are going to build. This is the web page. These are a link of PDF files. So if any user click on any of this link, Elementor pop-up will trigger instead of opening the PDF file itself. Let me quickly fill out the form, and if I hit subscribe to download, this will open the PDF file. And also I will get a email notification about the user, uh, his or her name, the email, and the PDF link that the user has downloaded. And you can also collect this information to your email marketing platform, for example, MailChimp, AOA, Drip, or whatever you want. This is the type of email I am receiving. So this is the user, and this is his email, and this is the exact PDF file the user has downloaded. So this is what we are going to build. Behind the scenes, I logged into the admin dashboard and removed all the customization and the code. Now this is a simple Elementor text widget, and these are the simple links. Now if I click any of these links, the PDF file opens. This is the same for every PDF links. So we are going to build this from scratch. So first of all, we need two type of things. In the first step, you need to create a Elementor pop-up. I'm pretty much sure you know how to create an Elementor pop-up. So I'm not going to show you how to do that. Just one little thing that you need in your form, that is a hidden field. You can name it anything. Let me quickly show you this pop-up form I have. If I click on edit with Elementor, so this is the form. If I right click and see this, I have a PDF field that is a type of hidden. Anyways, you want to, if you want to achieve this thing just like the demo, you have to write a small JavaScript. Don't worry, I this is very simple, and I will explain and show how you can do that, and even if you are not a tech savvy. So in the first step, we should prevent this browser's default behavior. For example, if I click this, it opens the PDF file, but we don't want that. To prevent this, let's fix this browser's default behavior of a link clicking. So select any anchor tag, and we need to select any PDF link that ends with the extension .pdf. So $sign equal to it means that any link that ends with the extension or the word that we are uh, going to target in this quotation. So in our case, it's PDF. If you have document file, then you can do doc or docx or whatever the extension you want to target. In my case, it's PDF. So all this is saying that any link that ends with .pdf, then if fire a click function, so first of all, we will prevent the browser's default behavior. Here we have a parameter event. If this click event is true, then this function will pass this information using any head. It does not mean that you have to write this event. You can choose anything. Just we are on the same page. So let's go with event. So event dot prevent prevent default. That's it. So now if I copy this code and go to my Elementor custom code, so you can place this code using any way you like. For example, if you have any child theme, or you can also include in your themes file. It does not matter. I am using since I am using Elementor, so you have to go to Elementor and custom code and just create a new code block. So I am going to paste it here. And if I update this, and if I refresh this page, and if I click any of these links, this will not open this link. So we are done with this, preventing this default behavior. Now uh, let's select this link that the user clicked on. So first of all, let's create a variable with you can name it anything. I'm going with manual, and you don't need to assign this value right here. Just make sure you have a variable here, so we can target this later on, or we can assign the value later. So target this href, and we want, if anyone clicks on this any of this link, so this Elementor pop-up should show. So if you go to Elementor's GitHub repository, they already created a handle. It's called Elementor frontend. Elementor Pro front end. You will find this handle on their GitHub repository. So module popup dot show. So that's it. And which pop-up should I show? So every pop-up has a different ID. So in this case, you have to assign this ID. So in my case, the ID is. Let me open this pop-up. Uh, if you open your pop-up, you will see this ID here. In my case, it's 2907. So it will be different in your case. So just copy this ID, whatever you see after the post equal to, and paste it here. So that's it. It will trigger this pop-up when someone clicks on the PDF link, instead of showing the PDF immediately. And now, so anyone clicks on this function, We added event listener in this click function. If it's happened, it will pass this parameter, and we are taking this parameter using this e. You can type any parameter, but just type it e, short for event. Anyways, so document get element by id. Oops, by id. So you have a field ID, uh, so that we want to target, and this is the hidden field comes into play. So in this case, you can name it anything, but in my case, I'm going to name it PDF. So this ID would be form YELD. This part form field, it will be added automatically by Elementor, and after this, whatever you type after this, this will be your unique name. In my case, I named it PDF. So make sure you also did this in your form. Just go to your pop-up form and go to this hidden field and advanced, and give it the ID. So this ID will be automatically come after this form field dash and your unique ID name. So that's it. And later add value equal to, what is the value? This is the value that this is the link they are clicking on. So just copy and paste this variable, whatever the name is in your case. All right, so we are done with this, and this will do this job. And if you want to get this to your notification, that if you want to see that which specific file the user downloaded, then we have to go to one step further. So once again, jQuery. So, Beaker has a function called submit success. If the form is successfully submitted, then this will happen. So, submit. If this successfully submitted, then this function will run. And if it's true, then this will pass this using this parameter, whatever you write here. In my case, this is E, short for event. Window dot open, and after they successfully submitted this information, and if the field is successfully submitted, then we want to open this file. So window dot open document dot get element by id. The id name is the same as we typed here. So this is the same as this one. So we want to add pass this field data to here, and dot value. So that's it. If you now if you paste this code on your Elementor code field, and then this will work exactly you see on my demo. So one more little thing, I am including the semicolon somewhere and somewhere I don't. So in JavaScript, you don't have to put semicolon. I write a lot of PHP, so it's become a normal behavior of adding semicolon, but you don't have to. If you don't include semicolons, will not cause any issues. Anyways, just copy this whole chunk of code and go to your Elementor code block and paste it here and update. And also make sure that you uh, show this code or place this code on before the closing body tag and not within the header starting body. Just click show this. If it's not selected already, then show this code on closing tag before the closing tag. Anyways, once you update this and go to your website, refresh the page and click any of this link, Jen. So fill out this field and click on subscribe to download. Let me check if I made any mistake in my code. Oops. So since this keyword inserted automatically, or this is the problem. I did not put this keyword, but it's not intentionally. Document element, document element by ID, document dot. So this was a typo. Anyways, document get element by ID form field. Okay, now copy this code and go to this Elementor. And once again, refresh this page. Okay, let's click this third link and click on download. Okay, now it works. Let me show you another thing. For example, let's click this second one and click on download. See if the right file is opening. It's a different file. Anyways, this is now works exactly I showed you in the demo. That's it. And now if I go to my email, I will see that this is the field. This is on the first one that came from the previous code, but after I rewrite this code, then this work and this field is coming. So this is exactly I showed you on the demo. Here is the reader's name, email, and the PDF file they downloaded. So that's it. The code, and if you don't want to write it yourself, you can find this code underneath this video. I will link to this code to my blog post where I have this code for you to download. And why this is important? Recently, one of my client asked me to mm, do that, and I charged him 200 for only this 15 lines of code, and you can do the same and even more if someone need help.